Hello there and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1 Minute English videos. If you enjoy this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the online courses we offer. As you may well be aware, there's another new variant of COVID that's suddenly spreading very rapidly. Known as the Omicron Variant, it's recently arrived in the UK, and from next week mask wearing is once again going to be made mandatory to try to limit the spread of this new strain of COVID. This morning I was on the bus here in North London, and the vast majority of people have already started wearing masks again. However, one young guy got on the bus, and when he was asked very politely by the bus driver if he would put a mask on, he went ballistic and he started screaming and shouting at the bus driver, complaining that his liberties were being taken away from him. Once it stopped, a very elderly lady stood up, went over to him and tapped him on the shoulder and said, "Just want to let you know, you're bang out of order." If you say that someone is out of order, or totally out of order, or bang out of order, you mean that the way they're acting, the things they're doing, or the things that they've just said are unacceptable. They're not pleasant, they're not suitable for the context in which they're being said or done. And as a result, they're likely to upset people or cause offence. In the same way, you might say that someone's behaviour in a meeting was bang out of order. Someone might make a comment on one of your social media posts and you might think that the comment is completely out of order. Or you just see people treating other people in a horrible way and you think, God, it's out of order the way he's talking to that waiter. Or the way he was talking to that old lady, it was bang out of order. If you have enjoyed this video, make sure you click the like button, the thumbs up sign. It helps us with the algorithm. Please do share the video with your friends, your students, your colleagues. And in the comments section below, we'd love to hear any stories about things that you've seen or heard people doing that you thought were out of order.